preparation combination. Before your beginners start doing pirouettes, it's really important that they understand where they put their body and the mechanics of a pirouette and a clean passe prior to adding the turn element. So you'll start 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna sus-sous 1, 2, sus-sous 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clean sus-sous, leg goes up the leg and back down the leg. Keep that upper body calm, try not to wobble. So you'll do 8 to the back, then you'll start coming forward with that back leg. Again, clean sus-sous, leg goes up the leg and down the leg. Belly's in, hips down. Really, don't let them lean. Keep that hip down and the body calm.